Are education courses on Coursera actually worth it? And which ones should you choose if you want real teaching or learning design skills? In this video, I'll give you a quick review of the best education courses on Coursera so you can decide what's right for you. If you want to explore these courses, I've linked them below so you can compare options and check current offers. Before we start, quick tip. If you plan to take more than one course, Coursera Plus is usually the better option. You can access multiple education and teaching courses under one plan without paying for each one separately. Now let's start with one of the most popular options. The Foundations of Teaching for Learning, Being a Teacher by Commonwealth Education Trust. This course has a strong rating of around 4.7 with over 1,000 reviews. It focuses on core teaching skills like classroom management, student engagement, and instructional strategies. This is a great starting point if you are new to teaching. Now let's look at a more modern option, the Generative AI for Educators and Teachers by Vanderbilt University. This program has a rating of around 4.8 with more than 2,000 reviews. It teaches how to use AI tools like ChatGPT in education, including lesson planning and creative teaching methods. This is ideal if you want future-ready skills. And another strong option is Introduction to Early Childhood by the State University of New York. This course has an excellent rating of around 4.9. It focuses on child development, communication, and working with young learners. Now let's talk about what you actually learn. These courses cover teaching methods, learning psychology, classroom management, and modern tools like AI in education. Some courses also include practical activities to help you apply what you learn. Now here's the smart path. Start with a foundational teaching course, then move into specialized areas like early childhood education, instructional design, or AI in education. That's how you build a complete skill set. And this is where Coursera Plus becomes very useful. You can explore different education topics and build your expertise without paying for each course separately. But let's keep it real. Education is a practical field. You need to apply what you learn, practice teaching, and work with real learners. So, are Coursera education courses worth it? If you choose the right courses and stay consistent, then yes, they can help you build valuable teaching and training skills. If you want to explore these courses or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and practical guides like this.